guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where you can find the Frostspore birds in Heartopia. So basically they will be all over, well, all around the suburban lake. So like here, 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 here. But before, you do need to talk to Bailey first about the task, and you'll see if, like, for instance, this flamingo is not the winter one. You'll see that they wear like winter clothes. It's actually super cute. But you're just going to go around. Okay, for instance, like this one. I think this one's a mallard. Mallard. Sorry. It's the winter mallard because you can see it has like a winter outfit basically. And you're just going to go around and you'll be able to find super cute birds using like outfits. The flamingo is a little bit harder to spot because it's only a scarf, but the rest are pretty easy to find. There's no specific locations, unfortunately, so you just have to kind of go around and kind of see if they're wearing any outfits. Okay, like this flamingo is wearing a scarf, so you're able to take a picture of that. Winter greater flamingo. And there's two more. I'll insert like a clip here of like my previous bird watching thing, but yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!